What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing a vlog to you guys. I'm gonna head out to a pick and pull. This 4Runner's taillights have been giving me headaches for years now, and I'm tired of paying full price or whatever. So let me show you what's going on. Currently, the running lights are on the 4Runner. As you can see, this running light on the left side tail is working. On the right side is not working. But what's crazy is, though, the brake light on this one works, but the brake light on this one does not work. On top of all of this piece is busted. I had the tailgate open and I ran it into the garage. So I'm gonna try to find one of these and two taillights. So wish me luck. This has actually been replaced already. I purchased one. It lasted, I think, about 2 to 3 weeks and then stopped working. What's crazy is when I put a multimeter on it, it works. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and hop in the 4Runner, see what Pick and Pull has for us. Maybe they have what I'm looking for. I actually need both tail lights. It's a disaster back there. This is just getting old. All right, let's go. Well, boys, we're here. Let's see what they got. Should be interesting. I've actually never been to this one before. I've been to a whole bunch of Pick and Pulls in Pennsylvania, but never to one in Arkansas. Made it in. See what we can find. I haven't seen one Toyota yet, which is kind of it's not good. I really, unless I'm blind, which I could be, I've yet to see one Toyota. Truck at Pick and Pull. If you guys are in the Little Rock area or Central Arkansas area and you're needing Chevy or Ford parts or even car parts, that's the place to go to. If you're looking for Toyota parts, that is definitely not the place to go. Saw 3 Toyotas. One was an old Tacoma, one was a Highlander, and then one was a Sequoia. I didn't even see one 4Runner there. That was definitely a miss on my part. My brother called me and told me, you know, I probably should have called him before I went out there, done that, or I should have checked the website. I just said, screw it, we're just gonna go out there. He brought 2 valid points. We're gonna swing by a couple dealerships to look at some vehicles. I don't know if that will be in this video or be in another video. It might be combined because this video I was hoping to get some parts so I can install them. Obviously, I didn't get any parts. We are on our way to, I guess, the Ram dealership. I don't know, one of them, just to look. So what's interesting is, though, Arkansas has the worst prices on vehicles, but I bought both of my vehicles in-state, and I buy all my other items out of state because they finally, I guess, decide to work with me after weeks of negotiations. So we're gonna go swing by here and see what they have, and I'll catch back up with you shortly. Well, guys, we're stopping at good old Toyota. They actually have some trucks, surprisingly. When I stopped here for service, this 4Runner, they had, I think, 1 truck and 1 4Runner. It was pretty bad. Watch this guy walk right across. Yeah, you about to get your ass hit. Go ahead, man. You already started walking across. Trying to get that sale. Almost got knocked off. Let's see. These guys, these salesmen, just chilling. I'm not buying that. They actually have some vehicles, surprisingly. Got some. Oh my God, they got some 4Runners. So normally, this is their used area, and this is normally completely packed. And as you can see, it's not. However, there's vehicles over here. They don't have anything. Pre-COVID, where this red Chevy is, this whole line from here all the way down over there would be full of their used trucks, essentially. This is their used side, and as you can see, there's absolutely nothing here, but it's actually better than it was, but it's actually still bad. The crazy part about all this is when we went to St. Louis, correct me if I'm wrong, babe, but every time we drove by a dealership, it was packed.
Yes.
And this is like in St. Louis, big dealerships, you just drive on the highway, they had trucks everywhere. And so I don't know, and I was talking to one of my buddies yesterday, and he said he went to Dallas and to Atlanta, and he said the dealerships there were packed. So I don't understand how Arkansas has no vehicles. I mean, obviously it's getting better, but you know what? I actually know what the issue is. Arkansas is always last for everything, and this is just the same, the example that we're last on getting new inventory in, but then we're probably also one of the last states to really get hit from COVID. So we're always last. So now we're gonna go by the Ford dealership if we don't get rear-ended by this Chevy Malibu because they don't know how to drive. Last time I was here, they had one F-250, and you can just see all the salesmen just like vultures, and this is why I hate buying cars or trucks or whatever. They follow you around. What are those little things that we saw on Game of Thrones? Leeches? Yes, that's how I feel salesmen are. It's like they're leeches, man. It's like they just have to leech onto you.
Nice.
That's an F-250 Tremor. That's probably 85. That's outside the budget, guys. That when I say it's not even outside the budget. You double the budget, we probably still can't afford that truck. That's just being honest. Because I think most of these diesels are going for about 85, 90. I think they got some trucks here going for 110. So I'm looking for either an F-150 2021. These are 19s or 18s or whatever they are. So they want 58,000 for this, for an XLT. I've been seeing them about 10 grand less, if not more. They want 61 for this. It's definitely not gonna happen. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. If I'm paying that much, I'm buying a diesel. See, that's what we need right there. That's what we need if my wife captures it going through the window. That's what we need. Can't afford that though. That's what my bros want me to get. Can't afford that though. These are the 2021s. They probably want something astronomical for these. 61 for an XLT. You guys are, I don't care if they said it was what, gold certified. I don't care what it was, platinum certified. Ain't no way I'm paying 61 for an F-150. Boy, Arkansas prices are astronomical. Well, my wife was recording, so I'm gonna get out and check on these 2021s. I know they're running 0% for 72 months. Okay, so they want 59. So to put this in perspective, guys, this is a 2021. They want 59 for. They want 59 for, where was it? Over there. 59 for that one over there, and 61. And this is an XLT 2021. But see, if you look at the headlights, you see how they have the, and then down there, the running lights. And then on the XLs, they don't have that. It kind of looks like that because of the chrome. The chrome strip is what gives it away, but, or tries to make it similar to this, but it's not. These headlights are just nasty. On the XLs, they just don't have it, and it just doesn't move me. So how much they want for this? Well, this is a baby door. They want 59 for this. I was in St. Louis, and I think they wanted 58. I don't know if you guys can see that, but cloth seats. Of course, they got the 12-inch screen, dual climate control. I mean, it's a nice truck, but for 59, and then look, $1,200 for nitrogen-filled tires, window tint. It has the 5.0. So it has the 5.0 Coyote motor. I'm actually really interested in getting the 3.5 liter twin turbo for the F-150s that are jacked up and already loaded. I think they want like $110,000 for. I think that black F-250 they want 110 or 124. Guys, who's able to buy these vehicles? Well, they have a Ram back there for 63,000. 63 outside the budget. But anyway, guys, the point I'm trying to make is I don't know who can afford a $100,000 truck. I mean, I know some of you guys can, and you know, some of you guys make really good money. The average American can't afford dang dude moving on that bike. But like the average American can't afford a $500 emergency bill. Basically means, you know, obviously emergency comes up and they got to pay $500. They can't afford that. So if the average American can't do that, how are you buying a $110,000 truck? Like if it's for a business because you're gonna be able to write that off, or write most of it off. So we're gonna stop at Fletcher. So my neighbor has a Burgundy truck. He just bought a 2500 with the Hemi. I actually like the Burgundy, but the issue I have now is that if I buy a Burgundy truck, we're gonna have the same color truck. They'll have the 2500, I'll have the 1500. So I'm not really, doesn't necessarily move me. Let's see, these are all, well, the Eco Diesel. I mean, maybe I could buy an Eco Diesel. So my neighbor has this exact truck right here. That exact truck.
The silver one's pretty.
Yeah, it's probably 2500 with the Hemi.
Yeah, it is.
It's a Ram.
Oh, really?
It says it right on the grill price.
I didn't see it.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. And more bighorns. This one's nice.
It's really
I love the color.
I actually like the color too.
Now, I don't know.
You know, that's what I wanted for my 4Runner. Was that charcoal?
Yeah, the
gray.
charcoal color.
That's really pretty.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah.
Well, that's somebody's truck.
Oh, okay. Well, that's someone's truck. So they have, whoever that is, you have a nice truck. That's why I was driving around to actually go peek in there and see what the interior looked like. Now, the good thing I'll say about Fletcher is they put their prices on their windows, which I like, because you don't have to, basically it's like a non-haggling price. I mean, which is nice. You don't like haggling. A 2019 Ram Laramie 4x4, 24,000 miles. I'm seeing those out of state for about 42 to 43. So they're, what, $7,000 higher? And that's, I'm not even bargaining yet. So they come down 10 grand. And it's also white. My wife hates white, so that's a no-go.
That's nice.
That's almost a dang near black.
I like it though.
Yeah, it's a 2018 though. Yeah, 2018.
That doesn't mean that I can't like it.
No, you definitely can like it.
Oh, okay.
The reason why I'm not getting 2018, guys, is because obviously in Ram changed their body style on their trucks in 2019. We keep our vehicles for forever. And see, I also like they put the sticker with the mileage and what it is right there, and you can see it. Plain as day. So I don't have to get out and look at all these vehicles. I can just glance. That's actually not a bad truck for 43. I think the price is probably still high. And here's a Cummins 2021. I don't see it. The price is on the other side. So I might exit the other way just so I can, or maybe I can see the price from here. I'm gonna say they're probably asking, it looks like a trade-in. They're probably asking like 58 for it, which is, oh no, it's a diesel. So they're probably definitely asking more 58. They're probably asking 60 something for it. And to be honest, the only truck that really moved me and my wife was that dark slate one, which was actually I guess an employee or a customer's truck. So I mean, that was the only truck on that lot that really truly moved me, and it was, you can't even buy it. And every other truck that moved me, of course, was outside my price range. Nephew's calling me.
Gotta make the channel.
What's up? Oh.
Yeah, that would make it do what this made it do.
Well, of course that made it. There's a CanAm. What is that? I can't see. Is that a Polaris or a Honda? Or
There's.
yeah, well, that's why it's stuck. All right, nephew. Look at my nephew called me. Showed me that a Polaris was stuck. All right, guys, so as my wife always tells me, I need to do more vlogging because, of course, the channel is Hanging with PA. You're hanging with PA right now. We're hanging out. We went to a couple dealerships, looked at some trucks, went to the pick and pull, and obviously got nothing, which that was definitely a strikeout on my end. The other day, hanging with PA, as I always say, we're 0 for 2, struck out at the pick and pull, struck out at every car lot. Side note, if you guys have not grabbed any merch, or if you even missed the merch video, go watch it. I'll link above me now, or head over to hanginwithpa.com. Check out some merch. I got koozies on there. I have some lanyard keychains on there for you guys. Definitely go ahead and check that out. Shout out to my wife, of course, for helping to get that ball moving and always supporting the channel like she is now by holding the camera. She's the real MVP. She's the one that makes everything happen behind the scenes, make sure everything's going smoothly. If you have not copped the merch or went to the website, head to the website now, support your boy, or you can just support your boy by watching this video and commenting, liking it, and sharing it. And that's just another day hanging with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.